Hello everyone. Today is our Sunday reset and we do this every Sunday. It is like a ritual for us. I feel like if we didn't do this reset, we would not be able to function properly for the week ahead. So typically I clean the car and then B takes care of some of the house stuff, and then when I get back, we do some stuff together.
We're also going to be giving our little baby Voodoo a bath. There's some ASMR cleaning cozy vibes in here, and then I think we're gonna like chill out afterwards, maybe make a little dessert and watch a movie. So we're hoping that this vlog like helps give you some motivation to like reset your space and like clean up just your whole area, because not only does that like clean the actual physical space, but like you will feel a difference in the energy, I'm telling you.
So stay tuned. I'm gonna go clean the car now. Car's clean. Now it's time to clean the house and clean the pup. All right. Oh my God. Yeah. Good girl. Oh my God, I was getting an oatmeal bath. So we're all done cleaning, the car's clean, the pup is clean, and the house feels amazing. Now we're gonna chill out and we're gonna bake something.
So if you can guess what we're about to bake, in the comments below, we will give you a little pumpkin emoji. First one to guess correctly. And no, don't cheat. So we just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's new here. We've gotten quite a few subs over the last month, and we're just so grateful that you're here, that you're vibing with our content. Like, also feel free to let us know in the comments like what you want to see more of, what you're really into, and we're so open to all of that, to your feedback.
As always, take what you need,
Leave the rest.
and go love yourself.